Today is FOMC day, and it's the very first FOMC day since the banks collapsed. Definitely expecting some choppy movement this morning. Luckily, I was able to grab a trade. I wasn't really expecting to take a trade at all, but was able to grab a trade pretty early in the session, earlier than normal, actually. So we're going to go and recap that trade. So please sit back and enjoy. Make sure you press the thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel. Come hang out on the live streams. Happy Wednesday. It's FOMC day. What that means is that probably going to chop this morning. Thought about sitting out, but then was like, honestly, I really enjoyed yesterday's chop. So if we have that type of movement again, I will gladly trade it. And if it doesn't happen, then, and there's no opportunities, then I don't trade it. Take a peek at what's important, right? We got bottom of the range down at 3,900. I'm talking big moves here because of FOMC, right? So we got bottom of the range, 3,900, 4,120. I mean, honestly, anything from 40.65, 40.70 to 41.20, that 50-point range is pretty interesting to the top side. We'll see if either one of those things kind of play out, but that's part of the fun of FOMC. Trading right at the news is very dangerous. A lot of times FOMC very first move is wrong, so a lot of times it's a fake out. So if you dump 100 points, a lot of times it kind of retraces that. But yeah, it'll be interesting to see what happens. And in my opinion, like 5 to 10 minutes right after FOMC could be very juicy and lucrative to trade, if you are have your risk in check and all that, you know. All right, kind of snapping through VWAP so far. We got volume down here now. We might actually see a little push up here. I'm gonna try a little long here, actually, just risking a couple points. There's no way I'm getting this full fill, so I'm gonna go and pull this up. Just looking right at VWAP into this volume void. See if we can get a quick move up. It's trying on the 1 minute. You can see it pushing. Oh, there you go. Almost filled. Not quite. Trading it. Okay, I'm out. Nice push on the move back up to VWAP. Pretty easy trade there. Nothing too crazy. You saw a lot of volume getting conducted there. We're pretty obvious that we're going to be chopping leading into FOMC, in my opinion. A lot of volume being conducted after a nice move to the downside on a day like this. I'm taking the confident exit in the volume void right at VWAP. I think the slide through VWAP makes a lot of sense. I think even the push back up to 37 makes a lot of sense. But I want to take the confident exit there for, you know, my 3 points and not be too greedy on a day like this. But basically no drawdown, a nice little push to the top side. Pretty cut, standard, easy trade. Very happy with that.